Imagine stepping into a forest and the forest steps back to let you in. Not a door or a gate, but a tree. Deep in the heart of Abia State, southeastern Nigeria, in a quiet community called Isienyuku, stands something that will amaze you. She is ancient. Nobody alive knows exactly how old she is. Only that she has been there as long as the community itself has existed. Centuries of rain, centuries of sun, and centuries of watching. From the outside, she is breathing, massive, towering roots that grip the earth like giant hands, a canopy that reaches up and up, still alive, still green, still flowering, as if she has a secret she has been keeping all this time. And she has. Step closer, walk around her, and then you will see it. An opening, a door that nature carved by herself. You duck your head and you step inside a living tree. The hollow is enormous. 20 adults can stand inside her walls, dry walls that breathe with history. Look up and light filters through the windows that no human hand ever cut. Natural, perfect, alive. This wasn't just a tree. This was a refuge. When war swept through this land, when the sound of enemies meant running and hiding meant survival, the people of Amakama ran here into her arms, into her belly, and she held them, kept them safe. Every grandmother, every child, every frightened soul sheltered inside a tree that refused to let them be found. The villagers will tell you she is selective, she has rules, she has feelings. Come with good intentions and she welcomes you. Come with something darker and they say the bees that live within her walls will make sure you regret it.
There is no chief priest here. Okay. There is no way you go around and see sacrifices. Okay. But you cannot cross this place with evil. Okay. The gods will fight you immediately. The gods will identify you out of 100. Okay. They will pick you and identify you that you are evil immediately. Okay. Let me just say, 3 weeks now, okay, there were people that came here for my traditional marriage. The whole canopy was empty. In fact, everybody, there is no single person standing here except people like we. Okay, so I was here present. I'm not telling you the story that I had. Wow. I was here present. I witnessed everything. Like more than 10 of them touched me. When they touch me, they will fall down and go their way. They are looking for somebody. And if they get to you, and maybe somebody that is not fame, they can even give you 1 or 2. But you, as the main personage, because since I was born till now, the gods of this land don't stomach evil. And you cannot bring in evil here. Anybody with here in this community, check out. That person's life will change. It's either madness or death. Okay.
Believe that or not, but stand inside her and something shifts inside you. The noise of the modern world drops away. Your phone doesn't matter. Your deadline doesn't exist anymore. There is only the wood around you, the cool air, the strange and overwhelming feeling that you are being held by something far older, far wiser than yourself. Africa is full of wonders, mountains, rivers, ancient cities, great migrations, but this is something else entirely. This is a tree that lived through wars and kept its people alive. A tree that is hollow yet standing, dead inside yet flowering outside. A contradiction that makes perfect beautiful sense once you are inside it. The Amakama Wonder Tree, Umuahia, Abia State, Nigeria. Come, step inside and let her hands hold you. If this is your first time of coming across any of our videos, kindly hit the subscribe button. This is a cultural forum where we promote the rich cultural heritage of the Igbo people. And your curator once again is Prince Onwadenem Ngozi Chukwuka Fortune. I will see you in my subsequent videos. Bye!